Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting geometric problem. Here the problem is given as this. Here a figure is given. In this figure A and B are 2 points, and also these 2 points are on x axis, and coordinates of these 2 points are minus 40 and 40 respectively. A and B are 2 points on x axis, and also they are given M and N are 2 points on y axis. M and N are 2 points on y axis, and also we have considered the coordinate of M as 0 m and coordinate of N as 0 n, and also the line segment BN and M. BN and M, line segment BN and line segment N cut each other at the point P. The point of intersection of the line BN and the line N is P. We have to determine the locus of the point P. Also P is moving point, variable point. And here also a condition is given, Mn equal to 4. The length of Mn is 4. Length of Mn is fixed, and this length is given as 4. This is the problem. We have to find out the point of intersection of Bn and M. The locus of point of intersection of Bn and M. The point is P and its coordinates are considered as hk. This is the problem. Here the coordinate of P is taken as hk, and the coordinates of M and N are considered as 0 m and 0 n respectively. These are the coordinates. These coordinates are considered, and we have to determine the locus of the point P. Now also we are given Mn equal to 4. Mn equal to 4. Now the line segment M has 2 points, and these 2 points, one of these 2 points is on the x-axis and other is on y-axis. So we can get the equation of the line segment M in intercept form. So equation of M is x over 4 plus y over M equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the line M, because the 2 points on this line M, one of them is on x-axis and other is on y-axis, and coordinate of A is given as 40 and coordinate of M is considered as 0 m. So we can get the equation of the line segment M in intercept form, which is x over 4 plus y over M equal to 1. Similarly, we can get the equation of Bn. The 2 points B and N on this line segment, one of these 2 points lie on x-axis and other lie on y-axis. That is, B lie on x-axis whose coordinate is minus 40, and coordinate of N, N also lie on y-axis, and coordinate of N is considered as 0 n. So we can get the equation of Bn in intercept form. equation of Bn in intercept form is also x over minus 4 plus y over n equal to 1. And also these two lines Bn and Am, these two lines pass through the common point P, that is, this is the point of intersection of Bn and Am. So these two lines pass through the common point P, whose coordinate is considered as hk. So this hk satisfy these two equations. This hk satisfies these two equations. Now Bn and Am pass through P, whose coordinate is considered as hk. So we can write, so hk satisfies these two equations, because these are the equations of Am and Bn. So hk satisfies these two equations. So we can write h over 4 plus k over m equal to 1, and also h over minus 4 plus k over n equal to minus 1. Now we can sum of these two equations, we get 2k k over m plus k over n equal to 2. We can also subtract second from first. After subtracting second from first, we get h over 4 plus k over m equal to 1, h over minus 4 plus k over n equal to 1, that is, if we subtract second from first, plus minus minus. So this is 2 h over 4 plus k over m minus k over n equal to 0. This implies k over m minus k over n equal to minus 2h over 4. Now we have got two equations, this and this. These two equations are simultaneous equations in variable 1 by m and 1 by n. These are two simultaneous equations. These are two simultaneous equations in the variable 1 by m and 1 by n. So we can solve these two equations. Now these two simultaneous equations are k over m, k over n equal to 2, k over m minus k over n equal to minus 2h over 4. We can solve these two simultaneous equations. These two simultaneous equations in one variable 1 by m and 1 by n. We can solve these two equations and we get the value of two variables 1 by m and 1 by n. Now if we add these two equations, we get sum of these two equations, 2k over m equal to 2 minus 2h over 4. This implies 1 by m equal to 1 by k minus h over 4k. This is equal to 4 minus h over 4k. So m equal to 4k over 4 minus h. Similarly, so we have got the value of m. Similarly, we can get the value of n by solving these two simultaneous equations. Now, if we subtract second equation from first equation, we get k over m plus k over n equal to 2 k over m minus k over n equal to minus 2h over 4. If we subtract second from first, minus plus plus. So 2k over n equal to 2h over 4, 1 over n equal to 1 over k plus h over 4k, which is equal to 4 plus h over 4k. So n equal to 4k over 4 plus h. So we have got two values of m and n. Value of m is this and value of n is this. Now we are given also a condition, other condition, which is mn equal to 4. Length of mn is 4. Mn equal to 4, and here also coordinate of m and n are considered as 0 m and 0 n. So we can write the length of mn as m minus n. So m minus n equal to 4. That is m minus n equal to 4. This is the length of mn, and also this length of mn is given as 4. So m minus n equal to 4. Now we can put the value of m and n in this equation. We get, after putting the values of m and n in this equation, we get 4k, 4 minus h minus 4k, 4 plus h equal to 4. So 4k, 4 plus h minus 4 plus h over 4 minus h, 4 plus h. After calculating this, we get 4k into 2h over 16 minus h square equal to 4. Now we can cancel 4, that is 2h k equal to 16 minus h square, 16 minus h square, that is h square plus 2hk equal to 16. H square plus 2hk equal to 16. H square plus 2hk equal to 16. We have got these equations in terms of h and k. So the locus of the point hk is can be written as x square plus 2xy equal to 16. This is the locus of the point P, and also the point P is the intersection of two line segment BN and AM. So we have got the locus of the point P. So locus of the point P. So the locus of the point P is x square plus 2xy equal to 16. This is the locus of the point P. Here P is the point of intersection of two line segment BN and AM. So we have derived the locus of the variable point P. This locus is x square plus 2xy equal to 16.